Okay folks, we're going to do a quick video here on how to cut PVC the easy way. So here I have a length of PVC, and a mark somewhere on here, there we go. And I'm using this tool right here, and this is the key, right? So, I'll show you this thing real quick, okay? You just pull it open, okay? And that blade comes down, it ratchets down as you go, and it cuts PVC. And actually it's interesting because it actually takes you longer when you're doing the example, but as you'll see it's pretty quick when you have the PVC in there. And according to this guy, it can take 1 5/8 inches. This stuff right here is 3/4, and I'm kind of cutting it at an angle, so we'll see how that goes. I'm first going to cut a length here actually, because the other end's already at an angle. And so you just get it going right there, and then you're off to the races. Go slower at the end or else it'll kind of chip, and then that's it. So if you got a lot of PVC to cut, this thing's wicked easy. You know, and it's not that much on your hands either. It's not a lot of squeezing and everything. So anyways, quick video on that. Let's see if we can do it at an angle. I did another one at an angle a minute ago. Let's see how this works out with the camera and everything. The idea is just to get it started on the angle, and then you can kind of keep it going. There you go. And someone might ask, you know, why are you doing it for an angle? At an angle, I'm actually going to end up nailing these into the ground as stakes to mark my where some of my trees are, so I can see where they are and I don't run them over the lawnmower and that type of thing. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Link to the description will be in below. Link to one of these will be in the description below. And like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.